Is the DJI Neo2 set to redefine the drone industry? Rumors and leaks have been circulating, and if they're accurate, DJI might be gearing up to release one of its most powerful drones yet. From substantial camera enhancements to impressive flight performance upgrades, the DJI Neo2 appears to be a major leap forward for both professionals and enthusiasts alike. But is everything as promising as it sounds? In this breakdown, we'll explore the most exciting features, potential drawbacks, and what we know so far about its expected release. Let's begin with what might be the most talked about upgrade, the camera. According to leaked information, the DJI Neo2 could come equipped with a 1-inch sensor and a 20-megapixel resolution. This would mark a significant jump from earlier models. A larger sensor allows for greater light capture, leading to clearer, sharper images, richer colors, and vastly improved low-light performance. If you've ever been frustrated by grainy footage during night flights, this enhancement could make a real difference. Additionally, the Neo2 is rumored to support 5.4K video recording at 60 frames per second, making it a serious contender for filmmakers and content creators who demand both clarity and smooth motion. The possible inclusion of 10-bit D-Log recording could further elevate its capabilities, offering professionals better control over color grading in post-production. However, key questions remain unanswered. Will the Neo2 offer an adjustable aperture for more precise exposure control? Will these advanced camera specs be limited to a premium Pro model, potentially raising the price? These uncertainties will need clarification before we can fully gauge its value. Of course, a powerful camera is only part of what makes a great drone. Flight performance is equally critical, and here, the DJI Neo2 might truly shine. Leaks suggest it could reach top speeds of up to 60 miles per hour, which is remarkably fast for a drone in this category. That kind of speed is invaluable for tracking fast-moving subjects like cars, wildlife, or athletes in motion, enabling more dynamic and fluid shots. Even more impressive is the rumored battery life, up to 40 minutes of flight time per charge. If this holds true, it would be a major improvement over previous models, allowing for extended sessions without the constant hassle of swapping batteries. For seasoned drone users, longer flight times mean more creative freedom. On top of that, the inclusion of OcuSync 4.0 could result in stronger, more stable transmission over longer distances, with fewer dropouts or interference issues in challenging environments. Still, questions linger. Will this improved performance make the drone heavier or bulkier? Will the larger battery compromise portability or resilience in rough weather? Safety and ease of use are key priorities for any drone pilot, and DJI seems to be taking this seriously with the Neo2. If leaks are to be believed, the drone will feature omnidirectional obstacle sensors, meaning sensors on all sides of the body. This would offer full 360-degree protection and drastically reduce the risk of crashing, especially in tight or complex environments. Even more compelling is the expected AI-powered tracking system. The Neo2 might include Active Track 5.0 and Point of Interest 4.0, enabling the drone to intelligently follow moving subjects with greater fluidity and accuracy. Imagine being able to lock onto a target and have the drone follow seamlessly, with no need for manual input. This would be a game changer for solo creators, vloggers, and sports enthusiasts. That said, AI tracking hasn't always been flawless in the past. DJI's earlier models sometimes struggled in low-contrast scenes or dense, unpredictable environments. Will the Neo2 finally overcome those challenges? That remains to be seen. Design-wise, the DJI Neo2 is expected to continue DJI's trend toward portability, with a rumored foldable structure that would make it easy to transport, ideal for travelers and outdoor shooters. A built-in touchscreen controller might also be in the works, which would eliminate the need to mount a smartphone for live view and flight control. This change could significantly speed up setup time and simplify the overall flying experience. There's also speculation about connectivity improvements, including support for Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3. These could enable faster file transfers and even the ability to live stream directly to platforms like YouTube with minimal lag. However, some trade-offs are worth considering. Could the foldable design compromise durability? Will the integrated screen drain the controller's battery more quickly? And if the controller is redesigned, will it still be as ergonomic and user-friendly as previous models? Now, let's address the potential downsides. The biggest concern for many will likely be the price. With so many high-end features, the DJI Neo2 could see a significant price hike compared to its predecessors. That might put it out of reach for casual users or hobbyists on a budget. Software reliability is another point of concern. While DJI's AI features have steadily improved over time, they haven't always performed flawlessly in the real world. Will the Neo2's upgraded tracking and obstacle avoidance systems deliver a consistently smooth experience, or will occasional bugs and glitches still crop up? Additionally, global supply chain issues could affect availability. DJI has experienced production delays in the past, and if demand for the Neo2 is high, we could see stock shortages or long wait times post-launch. So, when will the DJI Neo2 finally be announced? At this point, DJI hasn't shared any official details. However, based on past launch patterns and the volume of current leaks, many expect an announcement sometime in the coming months. DJI often reveals new drones in the first half of the year, so a mid-2025 launch isn't out of the question. That said, nothing is guaranteed. Prototypes may change, features might get cut, and production delays could shift timelines unexpectedly. Until DJI confirms the specs, all we can do is speculate. In conclusion, the DJI Neo2 has the potential to be one of the most advanced consumer drones to date. With rumored features like a large 1-inch sensor, 5.4K video, extended battery life, AI tracking, and a sleek, foldable design, it could appeal to everyone from professional filmmakers to passionate hobbyists. But we still need answers about pricing, durability, and real-world performance. Will DJI deliver on the hype, or will some features fall short? We'll find out soon enough. Until then, stay tuned for updates, and let us know what you're most excited about, or concerned with, when it comes to the DJI Neo2.